welcome to our channel! Today we're diving deep into Bitcoin, BTC, the first cryptocurrency built on blockchain technology. Whether you're new to the crypto world or a seasoned investor, stick around to learn everything you need to know about Bitcoin in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Happy investing! What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on cryptography. Unlike government-issued currencies like the US dollar or euro, which are controlled by central banks, Bitcoin operates without a central authority. This means users can send funds directly to each other without intermediaries, thanks to its peer-to-peer network. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to utilize blockchain technology, creating a new era of digital finance. It's often referred to as digital gold because of its scarcity and value. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, making it a deflationary asset. Who created Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created by an unknown individual or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was introduced in a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, published in 2008. The first block, known as the Genesis block, was mined on January 3, 2009, marking the beginning of the cryptocurrency era. To this day, the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains a mystery, adding an air of intrigue to Bitcoin's history. How does Bitcoin work? Contrary to popular belief, Bitcoin isn't a physical coin. It's a distributed ledger stored as a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Comparison with traditional banking. Let's compare Bitcoin with a traditional bank. In a bank, if Alice wants to send money to Bob, the bank verifies and processes the transaction. The bank maintains a centralized ledger that records the balances of Alice and Bob. In Bitcoin's decentralized system, there is no central entity like a bank. Instead, a copy of the ledger is distributed across multiple nodes in the network. When Alice transacts with Bob using Bitcoin, she broadcasts her transaction to the network. Nodes verify whether Alice has enough Bitcoin to send. This verification process involves miners. Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin miners use their computer rigs to validate transactions. They solve complex puzzles to add transactions to the ledger, a process known as proof of work. Miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins for their efforts, covering the costs of their operations and maintaining network security. Mining is competitive, with miners racing to solve mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add the block to the blockchain and receives a reward. This reward consists of newly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees from the included transactions. Over time, the rewards decrease due to a process called halving. Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving, or the halvening, is a significant event where the reward for mining new blocks is halved. This happens approximately every 4 years until the total supply reaches 21 million Bitcoins. The next halving is a major event for traders and miners alike, often influencing Bitcoin's market dynamics. The halving process helps control Bitcoin's supply and inflation rate. By reducing the rewards for mining, Bitcoin becomes scarcer over time, which can potentially increase its value. The halving also affects miners' profitability, as they receive fewer new coins for their efforts, which can lead to a reduction in mining activity and increased competition. Keeping your Bitcoin safe. When transacting Bitcoin, it's crucial to ensure your funds are secure. Hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger are highly recommended as they keep your private keys offline, away from potential malware. A hardware wallet stores your private keys in a secure offline device, which you can connect to your computer when needed. Always remember to back up your key phrase securely. If you lose your hardware wallet without a backup, there's no way to recover your funds. Store your key phrase in a safe place, away from fire, water, or other potential hazards. Bitcoin's market and adoption. Bitcoin's adoption has grown significantly since its inception. It's now accepted by many businesses and merchants worldwide, and it's used for various transactions, from buying goods and services to international remittances. Bitcoin ATMs are also becoming more common, allowing users to buy and sell Bitcoin conveniently. Many investors see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Its decentralized nature makes it resistant to government interference, and its finite supply adds to its appeal as a store of value. Institutional interest in Bitcoin has also increased, with companies and investment funds adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. Bitcoin and regulation. As Bitcoin's popularity grows, so does the regulatory attention it receives. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are working on frameworks to address issues like anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC requirements. These regulations aim to prevent illegal activities while fostering innovation in the cryptocurrency space. It's important for Bitcoin users to stay informed about regulatory changes in their region. Compliance with regulations ensures the continued growth and acceptance of Bitcoin in the global financial system. Bitcoin fake use. Where can you buy Bitcoin? 1. BTC tokens can be traded on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Bitfinex. What is the daily trading volume of Bitcoin? 1. The trading volume of Bitcoin is over 23 billion in the last 24 hours. What is the all-time high for Bitcoin? 1. The highest price paid for Bitcoin was $73,737.94 in March 2024. What is the all-time low for Bitcoin? 1. The lowest price was $67.81 in July 2013. What is the market cap of Bitcoin? 1. Bitcoin's market cap is over $1.2 trillion, making it the leading cryptocurrency. What is the fully diluted valuation of Bitcoin? 1. The fully diluted valuation of Bitcoin is approximately 1.3 trillion, assuming all 21 million Bitcoins are mined. Bitcoin is not just a digital currency, it's a revolutionary technology that continues to evolve. As we move into 2024, Bitcoin remains a critical player in the cryptocurrency space. Happy investing and stay tuned for more crypto insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.